I'll be sharing how to buy a stock on the Bamboo app. You go to Play Store, download the app.
Once you've installed the app, you complete the registration and the KYC, and it gets us to this dashboard. From the dashboard, you can check the Nigerian and US stocks, and you can check your portfolio. So this is my current portfolio of Nigerian stocks. So you can click on a particular stock to check more details about that particular stock. And I'll be buying this stock now. So you can click on buy. You can either use the limits order or stop order. I'll be explaining that later. And I would set the price using the limits buy, and I would place only 5 orders. But here's the catch: the stock market is not currently open, but I'll be queuing for the order already. So the stock market opens and closes. So I'll just be queuing for this order, and then the order is going to be fulfilled later on. So it's as simple as that. The order is completed, and happy investing.